I'm sure you've heard the news. The Ford Raptor is back, and it's more ferocious than ever. With a supercharged V8 engine and Fox live valve racing shocks, the Raptor is built to conquer any terrain. From desert dunes to rocky trails, this beast handles it all with ease. High-speed off-roading? No problem. The Raptor's unique suspension and rugged design keep you in control, no matter the challenge. Whether you're jumping dunes or navigating muddy tracks, the Raptor delivers unparalleled performance and thrill. Ford Raptor, unleash your inner adventurer and conquer the wild. Are you ready? Let's go beyond limits. #Ford Raptor #Offroad King.